Bonjour! Bonjour!
No.
Time for bladder check. Check.
So it's a show?
It's a lifestyle.
It's a religion.
My emotions! My emotions!
I'm still French.
Ouais, c'est pas faux.
I'm a woman, Mary. I can be as contrary as I choose.
Non, moi je crois qu'il faut que vous arrêtiez d'essayer de dire des trucs.
Hello, hi, I'm Laura. I'm gonna watch The Walking Dead Season 10, Episode 15. Before beginning, some news, you know. I watched La Casa de Papel, the Season 4, during this weekend. I'm not gonna tell you how I reacted and my thoughts about it. You're gonna see that during the week because I'm gonna wait until Wednesday to begin to post the reaction videos about it, so you guys, you can have the time to watch it on your own. That's how it's working, you know. Reaction videos are not a streaming way to watch the show. First watch it on your own and then search for reaction videos. It's working like that. And not a streaming way to watch the show. So stop asking me on the comments when I'm gonna react to La Casa de Papel, when the videos are gonna come and all of that. I said it to you on a post on YouTube, I said it to you on Twitter. I'm responding to your comments since 3 days now about it. Now I'm saying it right now into this video. If you are going on the comments without watching the video and hearing me saying it, I'm not gonna respond to you. Like, really? If you're not making the effort to search for the information when I'm giving it to you in all of the, you know, the means that I have, that's it. I'm tired of it. Wednesday is gonna come soon. You're gonna have your reaction videos, but first watch it on your own. Another news, I'm still confined at home like everyone in France since 20 days now, more than 20 days, and that's like that, you know. Am I going crazy? Am I going mad? Am I going paranoiac? No, still not doing that. I have plenty of stuff to do at my home. Each morning I'm posting to you a video with an idea of one activity that you can do at your home. This morning I posted one about the fact that you can do nothing, also it's allowed to do nothing. Really, when I began these videos about what you can do at your home, some activities and all of that, maybe I forgot to say that it's okay to do nothing. Like, people on social media and all of that, they are like challenging themselves to make their own bread, to begin yoga, to find a new talent, you know, to find if they are good at painting and stuff like that. Like, they are making other people feeling guilty if they are doing nothing, but it's okay also to do nothing. Maybe you need to do nothing. Maybe in your usual life you're doing a lot of stuff and maybe you need to rest, maybe you need to sleep, and it's okay. Don't blame yourself for that, it's okay. If it's like that during 20 days you're doing nothing and you're just sleeping, it's gonna begin to feel like a depression thing. So it's okay to do nothing for some days, or it's okay to do nothing like one day of the week. It's okay to, you know, let yourself just do nothing. Okay, about The Walking Dead and about the last episode. For me, the last episode was really an episode of transition, you know? It was really to help us and help the character to transition between the life with Alpha, the life without Alpha. Even if, you know, we didn't have a lot of actions, in fact, during the last episode, it was really to transition us and the characters with that, because the last episode was about mission and we lost Alpha at the end of the last episode. So we needed one like that. We needed an episode like that to transition. Is it a good one or not? For me it's a good one because it's focusing really on 3 characters. It's focusing on Carol and the fact that even if she was a part of the plan, you know, to kill Alpha, she didn't kill Alpha herself, so she's gonna have still that thing inside of her, you know, the fact that she didn't do it herself. She had, you know, still unfinished business with Alpha, and that's why she had Alpha as an hallucination and all of that, because she had that unfinished business with her and she resolved it in a certain way, because she said to Alpha that they are not like each other, that Carol, she's gonna fight until the end, she's not gonna give up, she's not gonna let herself dying, she's gonna stay who she is and she's gonna stay alive, and she's coming back with the group because she doesn't want to be alone, because it's not good for her, and also because she's better when she is with people. So that was for that, so that was great. It was focused also on Negan, the fact that Negan, you know, he was a traitor for all of them, but in fact no, he was a spy and he killed Alpha, and Daryl learned that, and you know Daryl is the leader of the group, so it was logical the fact that these two characters were together and made that transition for Negan, everyone knowing that Negan did it, Negan killed Alpha. The Whisperers, you know, proved it to Daryl by saying it directly, and also Negan proved that he doesn't care about being the leader of the Whisperer, being on their side, because he's not accepting what they are doing, killing people without really any reason, killing kids and all of that. So for the redemption arc, you know, of Negan, that was a good thing. And the third character, you know, on which they were focused in during the last episode was the King. You know that I don't like what they are doing with the King during this season. I love this character and I really don't approve the fact that they are making him sick and they are insisting on that. And during the last episode we had like a symbolic moment, a symbolic scene with him killing the horse, you know, because he was suffering and because he was suffering for nothing, and it was great to kill him just like that. Like, I don't want them, the writers, to fall into that big mistake that a lot of shows and movies are doing when they don't know how to write a character, when they don't know what to do with a character anymore. They are making him or her sick, to making him or her sacrifice himself during a battle, during that kind of thing. Like, okay, he's dying, but he's dying with honor, see, he sacrificed himself. We are giving him or her a good end, you know, for his or her character. It's in a good thing, and that's not important, in fact, that he's dead, because he was already dying, so see, that's okay. No, that's a big mistake that a lot of shows and movies are taking. If you don't know how to write your character, what to write with him or her, try something, you know, making him sick to kill him at the end by making him sacrifice himself or something like that. We already saw that in so many movies and shows. Like, make an effort, try something else, please. That's not okay for me. And yes, in my opinion, they really don't know how to write him anymore. Like, he's not really the king because he doesn't have a kingdom anymore. He's not with Carol anymore, he doesn't have a love interest anymore, so they really don't know what to write for him now. And what they did, you know, with Mission at the beginning of this season was also the proof of that, in my opinion. It was also a wink for the fans of the comic books, and it was also a wink for those who are shipping, you know, everyone with everyone. That's not how I'm functioning. If you know me, you know that I'm not really shipping anyone with anyone into that show. So that's it, you know, I'm waiting for them to surprise me, and surprise me by not falling into that trap. I hope that I'm wrong, you know, I hope that I'm really wrong about that, about them writing the king like that. We'll see. And we met Princess with Stephanie. I was not sure of that, but some of you in the comments told me that yes, Stephanie, it's Princess. That's surprising me because she sounds, you know, like a calm person and all of that when she was talking to Eugene on the radio. But with the little that we saw about her during the end of the last episode, it's like she's an eccentric person, and that can be fun, you know, that can be something fun to bring to the show. A character like her, it's really more like a comic book character, you know what I mean? Really, that can bring a lot of fun into the show. I cannot wait to discover her, to know her more. We'll see. 2 more episodes and it's the end of the season. We are done with Alpha, but we are not done with Beta and with the Whisperers. I think that the 2 last episodes are gonna be with that, you know, are gonna be with Beta taking the lead of the Whisperer. We already saw him, you know, making a new horde, so we'll see. I think that she's a little crazy, but good crazy, you know.
You guys are real, right? Talking to possibly real people again, making me freak out. I'm just gonna shut up.
today.
I'm Juanita Sanchez, but I never liked the name Juanita. You can call me Princess.
She's not
Because
Stephanie.
watch out her flag.
That's fast. No. Say sorry, princess.
Damn. Sorry about that.
I'm gonna love her. Yes.
Absolutely not.
Come on. You're going to this meeting to meet new people? She's the new people. Not everything is a trap. Yes, that's me saying that. I cannot wait to see Princess, interacting with Daryl or Carol.
You want us to follow you? You have every gun.
Really?
I know where to find more guns anyway.
So then, the garage.
Oh, your new horde, better. I don't know. Did they all regroup at the same place? And no one is going to search for Connie Ham.
I need somebody to run an errand for me.
I'll go.
Run like this. Scrape them by. Some of the old gang.
Oh, I miss them. The old gang.
So, you hear me?
Nope. That's a big new horde that you have just right there. But if they are not here, you have it for nothing. Nope. Shh! Hide! More! They all learned language signs? That's a good strategy. Lydia.
The cat's left. I'm sorry about your mom.
Oh, Judith.
You miss her?
No.
It's okay if you missed.
Not
you know.
Not like yours.
Uncle Megan is gonna take care of you. Both of you. Judith?
Judith, you wet?
Hmm?
No, move out. Let's go.
I want to say.
Oh, you're like your mommy.
I'm gonna learn what you do. Like you say.
You're too young.
No room for mistakes. Not right now.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
Follow me out. Yeah.
Oh, you're gonna die. Do you hear something? Yes. Hearing hallucinations? They have to watch their step.
What?
Did you put bombs or something like that?
I think I just found your horse.
Ooh!
No, I probably just got that one of the mines.
So you know me, like the term mines.
You know,
Really
you
want?
step on and then they go boom. Why would you get that from us?
Ah.
You didn't want you to worry.
You can get us out.
Of course. As soon as I figure out where we left off.
What?
Excuse me? Well, I don't normally stop in the middle, so I kind of lost count. Guess not.
Nah. I really love her. She's bringing so much fun into this show.
Kill her for her.
She's not dead. Go search for her.
Maybe it's because she's so tough.
She's.
Somebody maybe there's just probably that will accept that she's tough.
She's not.
I just want to say that I liked her. I liked a lot of things about her.
Are you gonna tell that you had sex with her?
But if there is something that you want to say to me, that you should say.
You killed her mom.
She died too.
That was her. I'm gonna put that on the fact that you just lost your mom and that you're a fucking teenager.
I just want to say I didn't mean to. I'm sorry, you know?
You're taking your chance just like that? So far, so good.
I'm still here.
Try to spot things that don't belong. Things that just don't feel right. Living or dead.
Walker.
Ah! We have a few of them. Whisperers or dead?
We passed Leawood Drive earlier.
Aw, must have been different people.
Go.
Ew!
Maybe I'll leave here. Only because I was having too much fun. And then I figured we could take the scenic route instead of turning around and keep the fun going. You're a minefield. And then you'd be like, Princess, you're amazing. We want to stay and be friends. When I was first here by myself, I figured somebody else would show up eventually. Odds are, right? And then days turned into months. One time, someone told me, you're hard to love.
No, you're not. I love you already.
I am sorry.
And she's saying when she's sorry, when she's making mistakes. I love characters like that. Humble character.
Make poor decisions. A lot of focus.
Come on, you're dying.
Hello there. Where are your people?
A few miles east. Headed to the ocean.
You scout?
It was going on for miles.
He's what?
Lost it.
Oh, Judith, you're seeing all of that. It's been episodes now that she's seeing and doing too much stuff, which are gonna traumatize her, which are gonna change her, and I don't know how to change. Daryl, speak to Judith. Don't let her like that.
She's gonna die. Better be quick.
And to not transform.
Maybe she has a family.
Oh, Judith. Cats. I think that they're gonna move now. He understood the thing with the cat.
Changing direction towards town. Call it.
Yes.
Now.
Oh, fuck! Again? That's not the usual whisperers to have a gun.
I think that you should hit me and it will make you feel better.
Is it really the solution?
You have to warn her.
You only killed her so they think that you're a hero. Because you only care about yourself.
No, not now, not anymore.
How can you tell me you liked her, huh? I hated her. I want to hate her. Screw you.
That's the difference between really hating her and trying to. She was your mom, no matter what.
Wheels.
That can have wheels?
I was picturing.
Ah! Let her come with you.
I wish I had done things better. But I guess my people skills are pretty rusty. Well, that's something we're gonna have to work on. Wait. For real? Yeah, as long as you don't mind us again. You know the era, that's it.
Yes.
What if you were lost? No one could find you. Just want us to be back together again.
Did you know that your father might be alive?
She knows not to go home, so she's safe.
Talk to her after the fire. I'm worried maybe she won't come home. Didn't want to tell you.
Why's that?
Tell about Rick.
Maybe you need to. Promise.
I can't.
Why?
Because I can't lie to you. There's one thing I know. There's a whole bunch of people back there that do anything for you. You're older. They don't need you to do anything for them. We got a whole lot of family.
Fuck.
Nothing can take place if someone you love ain't gone. It's me and everything that follows is gonna break your heart.
Oh, that's what we want. The tower? They are already here? Fuck, we're screwed. We're gonna have the final battle during the next and final episode of the season. And so yes, I think that the final episode is gonna be about that. The battle with the Whisperer, Beta's Whisperer and our group. Let's think about where everyone is. Connie, she is with the Whisperer, no? That was something that they said, that Magna and Urge, they were with the Whisperers into the Horde and they lost each other. We have one character inside of the Horde. We have Daryl and Judith outside. We have also Carol and the boy outside. We have the two guys who are with who? I really don't know. I really don't think that it was the Whisperers, you know, arresting them like that with the gun. Like, the Whisperers are not acting like that. We never saw them with guns, no? I really don't think that it's them. Maybe I'm wrong. We have the king and the other ones, you know, with Princess now. And they are gonna go to the meeting to find Stephanie. So it was not Stephanie. Why did you lie to me on the comments? You said to me that it was Stephanie, that Princess was Stephanie. She's not. She's Princess. She's gonna be such a great character. I cannot wait to see her meeting each one of them. Like Daryl, Carol, Negan! Her meeting Negan, that's gonna be so great. I want to see that. Yes, she's gonna be really a great character. But they're gonna meet Stephanie and her group. We had also Negan talking with Lydia. We needed to have that, you know, we needed to have Lydia mourning her mother, being conflicted about that. Because of course she didn't like her mother at the end, but she had good memories with her. Like she said, you know, there is a difference between hating someone and trying to hate that person. When you had good memories with that person, when you are related to that person because it's a member of your family and it's into your blood, you know, the fact that you're loving that person no matter what. So of course she was gonna be conflicted about that and she was gonna talk about that with Negan. We needed to have that kind of scenes. So yes, the final battle, at least one battle. I'm not sure that it's gonna be the final battle with the Whisperers and then we're gonna be over with them. Or maybe yes, maybe it's a good way to end all of that story, you know, for good. The next episode is gonna be really intense, you know, for the end of the season, that's gonna be a good one. I hope that we're not gonna lose anyone during this battle. We'll see. Did we already lose people? I mean, our people, one of our people during this season? Yes, we lost Siddiq already. We're not gonna lose someone else. We'll see. But yes, Princess is really a great character and she can bring so much fun. And she's crazy, but she's good crazy, you know, she's funny. And we can't blame her for being crazy like that. Like, this person didn't talk to anyone during years. You know, when this confinement is gonna end, when we're gonna see people, we're gonna be like, yeah, people, we're meeting people, and all of that. And her, she's in confinement since years now. So of course she's crazy, a little crazy, but I think that it's also a part of her personality to be like that, to be eccentric like that, and that's great. Again, I cannot wait to see her meeting the rest of them. But I don't think that they're gonna do that during the next episode. The next episode is gonna be with the battle, you know, with the tower, with some of our guys into the tower and some of our guys outside of the tower, you know, Carol, Daryl, Judith and all of them. With maybe meeting a new group, with the group, you know, who arrested our guys. And we're gonna have the king, Eugene and all of them, you know, meeting Stephanie and her group. And that's gonna be a way to present us the new issues that they're gonna have for the next season. Like, I think that the meeting with Stephanie and her group is not gonna be so easy. Something is gonna happen that's gonna be something important for the future. They're gonna end maybe the Whisperers arc, you know. If they're gonna finish the Whisperers arc during this final episode of the season 10, they need to begin one new narrative arc, you know, for teasing us for the next season. So it can be Stephanie's group, it can be that group that arrested our guys, or that can be Beta maybe failing during the battle, but not totally, and we're gonna see him back. I want to see his face, but maybe at the end of the last episode. Maybe that can be something great. And during this episode, he had hearing hallucinations, no? He had audio hallucinations. I want to see his past more than his face. Do you understand what I mean? I want to understand him, to understand his background. His face, I'm not sure that it's really important. It can be really important if it's someone that we already know and met during the last seasons. If not, his face is not really important. In fact, his story and his background is more important. Do you understand what I mean? Okay, so it's all for The Walking Dead for you and for me for today, and I will see you next week for the last episode of this season 10 of The Walking Dead. I will give you my thoughts, about that entire season during this last episode, at the end of this last episode, to really have a full analysis about the season. So it's all for The Walking Dead for you and for me for today. So it's all for me for now. So bye for now. Bye.
Wait a minute, Doc. Are you telling me that you built a time machine?
Great.